Welcome to A Rhyme a Week. I'm Joy Reeser of Joy on Your Shoulders. Each week, I will be sharing with you a rhyme from this award-winning book, designed to shine. Read aloud rhymes for any size heart. Thank you. Nature. Forests of pine trees, red buds of pink, lightning bug nights, you watch their lights blink. Squirrels on a tree, ducks quacking away, a field full of horses who eat lots of hay. Sheep sheared for wool, sweet grass in our toes, parks to ride bikes, rivers to row, the sweet earth below us, the blue sky above, a world overflowing with nature to love. Thank you for watching. It's been a joy to read to you from this award-winning book, designed to shine. Read aloud rhymes for any size heart.